Good day, everyone. I want to continue on the topic benefits of onion. From my last video, I told us that we can use onion to treat cough, catarrh, and sore throats. But do you know that we have almost 21 varieties of onion? But you see this red onion and yellow onion, they are richer in antioxidants than others. You want to enjoy the goodness of onion, it is best to be eaten raw. Yes, raw. I know some of us, we don't like raw onion, but you can add it to your salad. You can use it to garnish your food. Onion juice can be used to grow healthy hair. So if you want to grow your hair, you can use onion juice. And if you have earache, you can use onion juice. Just steam the onion and use the juice. Another thing you can use onion for is you can use it for face pack. It will get rid of pigmentation, so you can add onion juice to your face mask and apply it, and you will like the outcome. You can also, if any part of your body is swollen, maybe due to injury, just slice onion, put a slice of onion on the swollen area, then use paper tape to tape the onion on the affected area. Leave it for 30 to 40 minutes. Number one, you will feel relieved, and another thing is the swollen will calm down. Just give it a try. Even if for those that have arthritis, if you are feeling pain on your knee, you can also use onion. Just dice the onion, put it in a paper towel, wrap it around the affected area where it's paining you. Wrap it there. Use paper tape to wrap it, to tape it on the affected area for maybe overnight, and you will like the pain, you will feel relieved, as in the pain will calm down when you use it. So you can use onion for a lot of things. So if you have used onion before to treat anything, please share with us in comment section. I'm waiting for you in the comment section. In any way you have used onion in the past or presently and it has worked for you, please share in the comment section. Let us hear from experience. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.